Greetings, everyone! Working with electricity can be incredibly intimidating if you do not have the right safety gear to protect yourself. Welcome to Tech Product. Today, we are looking at the best non-contact voltage detector to keep you totally safe during your electrical projects. Let's get started. Designed for users who need a dependable way to test electrical currents safely, the MastView EFY18S non-contact voltage detector is an absolute must-have tool for your toolbox. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a weekend do-it-yourself enthusiast, ensuring a wire is completely dead before you touch it is the most important step of the job. MastView created this incredibly practical tool specifically to provide safe, fast, and highly efficient electrical testing for anyone who needs it. It takes all the dangerous guesswork out of your home improvement projects and gives you total peace of mind. One of the most appealing aspects of the MastView EFY18S non-contact voltage detector is its remarkably clever and highly portable design. The manufacturer brilliantly built this device with a highly convenient and sturdy pen clip attached right to the body. This simple design choice means the tool is incredibly easy to carry with you all day long. You can slide it into your shirt pocket, clip it securely onto your heavy tool belt, or toss it into a small bag. Because it is always within arm's reach, it is completely ready for use whenever you need it, saving you trips back to your main toolbox. When it comes to actual electrical testing, safety is obviously the highest priority. The MastView EFY18S non-contact voltage detector is equipped with highly advanced, high-sensitivity NCV probes. NCV stands for non-contact voltage, and this technology is an absolute game-changer. It provides incredibly precise insulation and breakpoint detection without ever requiring you to make direct physical contact with exposed metal wires. You simply bring the tip of the tool close to the wire, outlet, or circuit breaker, and the device will instantly let you know if electricity is actively flowing. This dramatically enhances your overall safety during voltage testing, completely eliminating the terrifying risk of accidental shocks. Furthermore, not all electrical jobs are exactly the same, which is exactly why this device features highly adjustable sensitivity modes. With a simple button press, users can quickly switch between high and low sensitivity settings depending on the specific task. This fantastic flexibility enables highly accurate alternating current voltage measurements across a wonderfully wide range from 12 volts to 1000 volts. The low sensitivity mode is perfect for testing standard household outlets and heavy-duty appliances to ensure proper power. On the other hand, the high sensitivity mode is ideal for safely testing lower voltage systems such as doorbell wires or thermostat cables. Having this wide range from 12 volts to 1000 volts ensures you only ever need this one single tool. Getting a quick and accurate reading is also made incredibly simple thanks to the large, beautiful high-definition screen built right into the handle of the tool. Older testing pens often just beep or flash a tiny dim light, leaving you unsure of what the tool is actually detecting. This advanced high-definition display greatly enhances overall usability by clearly and brightly displaying the exact strength of the detected alarm signal. This ensures completely easy readability and maximum visual clarity, even when you are working in highly challenging environments like a dark basement, a dusty attic, or a poorly lit garage. You will always know exactly how strong the electrical current is at a simple glance. To keep the device ready for action, the MastView EFY18S non-contact voltage detector incorporates an intelligent power-saving design. We have all accidentally left a tool turned on, only to find the batteries completely dead later. To prevent this, the tool will automatically shut itself off after 5 minutes of complete inactivity. This highly helpful feature wonderfully conserves your precious battery life, keeping the device fully reliable for extended use over many months. Compact, intelligent, and exceptionally user-friendly, this tool perfectly combines portability with advanced detection features to offer a truly dependable safety solution. Electrical safety is never something you should gamble with, so you should definitely upgrade your toolkit today. Check the price link in the description to get your own testing pen right now. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more great videos. Stay safe out there, and we will see you next time.